Welcome to the channel, everyone. This is an old video from 2019, but a very special one that I really wanted to share with you. Let me set the scene. It's a cold April, the end of my third day salmon fishing, to which I and others on the beat have not had a pull. It's the end of the day and the wife and son come down to see me on the river. My son surprised me by showing an interest and asked me to show him how to spin for salmon. I willingly take him down to a pool, which is a little bit better for spinning, and I enthusiastically tell him how to fish the pool. But I didn't really have much hope for him catching anything. What unfolded in the next 8 minutes still leaves me speechless to this day. After a few practice casts and getting snagged, let's jump forward to 4 minutes and where the action really starts.
New day, new light. Stepped out in the morning, sun kissed on my face. Something in the way I'm moving feels like I'm in a better place. Used to chase the shadows, now I chase the spark, and every step feels lighter since I followed my own heart. And I can feel it now, the world open and wide. No more looking back, just forward with the tide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I like where my heart is going, and it's taking me somewhere bright. I'm letting go of what was slowing me, stepping into all my life. I felt stuck in the quiet, now I dance with the sound. Once my hope was a whisper, now it echoes all around. I'm not just surviving, I'm thriving in the flow, and every beat is guiding me somewhere.
After unhooking and a quick picture, it was time to let the fish recover and go on its journey.
Got him?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
There he goes. Woohoo! Put it there, Dennis.